I'm going to share with you the exact framework that my team uses to consistently find these winning products. What's poppin' people, it's your boy the Beast of Ecom and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. If you've been having some trouble finding winning products, then this is the video for you. Finding winning products is a skill and definitely takes time to learn. I like to think that I've mastered this skill, and over the years I've found many 6 and 7 figure winning products in multiple different niches in multiple different countries. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact strategies that I'm using this year so that you can use them for yourself. I can guarantee you're going to get tons of value out of this video. So if you could do 2 small things for me, first and foremost, drop a like on this video. It helps out the channel. And second of all, drop a comment down below with what you learned from this video or any questions. I will be going through and answering as many as I possibly can. If you are not subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button with the notification bell on so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. The first thing you need to know before the strategies is what actually makes a winning product. A winning product will fall into 2 main categories. The first category is it will solve someone's problem, such as saving them time, saving them money, or making them feel better. The second category is that it has a wow and unique effect and it can't be found on the high street. Plus it has a passionate audience that you can target it to. The first strategy is using TikTok, and TikTok has a ton of content and winning products on here. Now what you can do is you can search for these things such as Amazon finds, and if you type in Amazon you can see all of these keywords that pop up. A lot of people are of course using these. So if I just type in Amazon must-haves, you're going to be able to see all of these, which are generally always ranked in terms of the most popular at the top and then of course at the bottom down below. One thing that I personally have been doing is just typing in a random product name. So for example, if we just type in a random name such as lamp, okay, what you will see is tons of different lamps popping up that you can potentially go out and sell. So if we open up the actual video, you can see here that this was posted around about 5 days ago and it's got over 3 million views on it. It's got 575,000 likes on it and 4,000 plus comments on it. One thing you want to be doing is checking out the comments of the video and having a look and see what people are saying. If they are asking where to get it from, where can I purchase, where's the link, then you generally know that there is demand for that product. Here is another example. These guys actually took this winning product and turned it into a brand. They're selling a jellyfish glow lamp. You can see that people are asking where they actually got it from. And if we actually head over to AliExpress, we can see that we can get this exact same product. Spend time, put it in random words of products or other things such as Amazon made me buy it, those kind of things, and just search and scroll through the platform. You'll be surprised how many products with potential that you actually find. Another good thing to do is to find accounts that just do Amazon reviews. And you can see here that this person just literally talks about Amazon products all day. What you can do is you can go through and find products that have essentially just gone viral. For example, this one here had 2.7 million views out of all of her standard views here. And you want to make sure that you copy these people and put them into a spreadsheet so you can always go back and have a look and get a finger on your pulse of certain products that may have potential. Remember, the TikTok platform is 100% free. It doesn't cost you anything. So all that you have to spend is your time looking. The second strategy that I like to use to find winning products is a tool called Shopify. This is a paid tool, but I do have a special offer down for my Ecom Beast viewers. If you click the link down below, you'll get a special discount. Using products like these helps speed up the process to find winning products. Let me show you exactly how I like to use this tool. First thing you want to do is you want to click on filters. I like to put the post creation date around about the previous 3 to 4 months because I know then the actual product itself, an advert, was recently created. If you are targeting a specific country, then you can select the country. I personally just leave this. When it comes to language though, I do like to make sure that it is English. When it comes to the age, I don't care about that. For the ecom platform, we want to make sure that we are looking for adverts that are running from Shopify. I like to mess around with the likes and shares. And remember, the more likes and shares that something does have, then the more likelihood that it's being a winning product. Once you've done this, it's then going to filter and give you only the results that fit those criteria. This product that I found was launched in the end of October and it has 4,000 likes on it, 1,000 comments on it, and 700 shares. What we can also do then is have a look at the actual adverts that these guys are running inside of the ads library. By doing this, we can now have a look and see which is the best creative and copy that they are using for this product. And you can do this by having a look and see how many ads actually use the creative and text. And out of these 3 here, you can see that this one is running 16 ads. So we can determine that this one is running the most traffic to it. Finding winning products is like going to the gym. You have to continually keep doing it so that you get better and train your eye over time. The third method to find and winning products is using the Facebook ads library. This method again is 100% free. For this method, you can search specific keywords at the top here, such as things that are common words that dropshippers use, such as get yours here, 50% off, save 50% today. What you can also do is change the country as well. So if you want to find out products that are working in specific countries, then you can change the country up here. I've changed it to Australia and typed in that same keyword text. And if I scroll down, again, not all of these are going to be dropshipping products, but you can see here I found something called Proton Shake, and these guys seem to be running possibly a one product store. Now with this method, you're not going to be able to see the engagement on the actual ad, like the likes, comments and shares and those kind of things. So it's kind of difficult to understand whether or not this product actually has demand. That's most of the time when your experience comes in. One thing to help your decision is you can actually have a look and see how many ads they've been running and also how long they've been running for. Remember, if they've been running for a long period of time and they've got more ads running, then we can generally assume that they've been making money with their adverts. So these guys have actually only got 2 results and it's only been running for January the 20th, which is pretty much the last few days. Whereas if we go back and have a look at the previous example, these guys have been running since November the 23rd and have over 22 ads running. Once you've found potential winning products that you want to test out, you then actually have to see if they actually will make you any money. It's very important to make sure that the product actually has enough margin inside of it so that you can scale. One rule of thumb is making sure that you can 2.5 to 3x the cost of goods. So for example, if you found a product and the cost of goods is $10, making sure that you can at least mark it up for $30. Now you also want to make sure that your break-even ROAS is under 1.8. Now if you don't know how to calculate your break-even ROAS, don't worry, I'm going to leave a link down below for my calculator that you can actually use yourself. It's 100% free. One thing you can do to take your product research to the next level is using them and combining them all together. So this product that we actually found here, this hand massager, I would actually then go to TikTok and type in the word hand massager machine, which you can see is popping up, and you'll then be able to see loads of different content of people actually selling or using this actual product, which again is another validation that there is demand for this product. So hopefully you got some value from this video and you now have some strategies and systems and frameworks in place that you can go out and find winning dropshipping products. If you do want to learn how to test and scale these products the correct way, then check out my course Ecom 2.0, and if you use the code YouTube100, you'll get $100 off the course. If you are still watching the video at this point, then make sure you smash a like on this video. It helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care and I will see you in the next one.